inside me, son of a god. I'm like a titan that's rising on, just you watch. I'm stepping into fate. There is no time to waste. I've got that lightning.
Enjoy. It's good to see familiar faces. Diba? Yung Jules Sanko, wala na, buo na.
Ayo,
buo na yung tournament. Yung bola ko.
This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made.
At sa mga golfers, bilib na bilib ako kasi marunong sila mag-golf lahat. Ang gagaling nila. Maga pa lang.
Dami yung mata ko.
Ito, lalo na itong grupon to. Ito po, itong grupon to. Ito po yung mga champions group. Ito po, Vice Mayor, si Brother Mali, Allen, si BJ Yambaw po. Ito po ang abangan yung champion.
This is the 5th Pidols Cup. Meron kami 4 years dati, buhay pa tatay ko. Ang unang-unang Pidols Cup namin, buhay pa tatay ko noon. Pumunta pa siya sa Pidols Cup, first Pidols Cup. Tapos yung second Pidols Cup, video na lang siya. Third Pidols Cup, nasa hospital na siya. Yung fourth, he passed on already. So actually, after nung fourth, medyo parang hindi na namin tinuloy yung hindi wala ng drive yung family namin kasi of course wala na yung daddy ko. Pero lately, napag-usap-usapan namin ng mga kapatid ko na it's about time to bring Pidols Cup again, di ba? So ito nga yung Pidols Cup Golf Classic. Ito pulutan.
Okay. Ito pulutan.
Ito shot.
Ito ang partner.
Kailangan tayong tatlo.
Oo!
Ikaw muna.
Ako muna.
Ikaw muna.
Okay.
Pag-uwi sa bahay.
Kainin yung sombrero.
Ang surop?
Oo, surop, di ba? Oo, isa pa. Padadala ko sa yung bote.
Ikaw,
sarap.
Huwag kang titingin-tingin dyan.
Kaya
Bulutan.
tay,
Pichi-pichi muna.
pagdating niya sa bahay, magtanggal ng sapatos, uminom ng banayad whiskey.
Oo.
Lasag blade. Congratulations, Pidol Cup. Congratulations, Epi. Galing, galing. Jeff Bernaldez, you are the man.
I didn't come from much, but I had a head of golden dreams.
Epi, salamat sa shot. Okay, pare. Sarap ng banayad whiskey. Lumuguhin, tama-tama. Hindi pa ako nag-aalmusal. Game's good, pare. Thank you.
'Cause I was always such a runaway. I had my alibis and my stowaways, but when I met you, I couldn't get away. I have been through pain in the dark.
Thank you guys, everyone who participated dito sa ating Pidols Cup Golf Classic 2025. At syempre, this is remembering about our King of Comedy, Dolphy. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. At syempre, sa lahat ng sponsors. Kundi rin dahil sa inyo, hindi mas magiging masaya to. God bless everyone. Yahoo!
You taught me how to be brave. We climbed up to the roof, drinking whiskey in the rain. But I wouldn't let you in. My life revolved around escape. 'Cause I was always such a
I'm so thankful na dumating kayo. I'm so grateful that you are here for this golf camaraderie natin ngayong araw na to dito sa Villamor Golf Course.
I've been through pain in the dark like a knife. Yeah, I've been betrayed. Oh, you show me how to love like a spark in the night and not be afraid. Oh, you taught me how to be brave. Oh, oh, oh. You taught me how to be brave. Oh,
Sa lahat po na naglaro sa Pidols Cup, maraming salamat sa inyo. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo at mamaya po doon sa fellowship po mag-enjoy tayo at maraming panayad na samahan ang mangyayari. God bless and sa ulitin po magsama-sama. Thank you.
you taught me how to be brave. Oh, oh, oh. I've been through pain in the dark.
Thank you. Maraming salamat sa mga sponsors also na nagtiwala maski mabilisan, but maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo. And God bless.
We're here in Pidols Cup, one of the best golf tournament here in Asia. And the launching of Banayad Whiskey. You gotta try this Banayad Whiskey. Ito ang the best whiskey in the world. Well, of course, coming soon yan. Okay? Kahit tanungin niyo po yung mga kaibigan ko. Pero ngayon pala yung launching. Kaya, kung may time pa kayo, punta na kayo dito sa Villamor Golf Course para matikman nyo ang Banayad Whiskey. Ha? Pagkagaling ng opisina, pagdating sa bahay, upo sa sopa, tanggalin ang sapatos, suot ang tsinelas, at buksan ang Banayad Whiskey at tumikim. Kayo na rin makakapagsabi, ang sarap maglaro ng golf.